shockvertising can increase consumer demand for products?
I do believe that shockvertising mainly attracts the attention of particular consumers on the basis of these particular slogans which violate the social norms of our society. And it is basic human nature that once you see something contradicting your opinion, you would like to test it. And in order to do that, I do feel that there is an immense increase in the demand of these particular products.
Does shockvertising have a very high economic value and exposure?
So shockvertising has great potential in creating high exposure because it has the ability of creating buzz and grabbing attention. If these campaigns are executed effectively, they can lead to rapid spread through social media, word of mouth, and news coverage. These campaigns also lead to increased brand awareness, customer engagement, and higher sales. However, the economic value of the same depends on various factors such as the target audience as well as the context in which it's used.
Does shockvertising greatly impact brand value and revenues?
Yes, shockvertising does impact brand values and revenues. For example, the recent Poonam Pandey fiasco, it was a very successful campaign in terms of gaining awareness, but although it was unsuccessful in terms of the attention that it deserved because most of the social media culture was more driven to making memes towards Poonam Pandey instead of actually taking initiative